As the party has done exceedingly well in the by-elections across the country, including Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Karnataka, and BJP and NDA has also gone past halfway mark in Bihar Assembly elections. BJP is gearing up for celebration at the party headquarters, national headquarters in the national capital. In fact, the vehicles that were parked outside the party headquarters have been cleared, which is a sign that a Prime Minister and also Home Minister are likely to visit the party headquarters late in the evening. That's what we are hearing from the party headquarters people here also. In fact, what we are also seeing is that lights are being set up at the reception at the gallery here, where likely what we are hearing is that Prime Minister and also Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also Home Minister Amit Shah, along with BJP National President JP Nadda, will be standing here and then will be addressing the gathering here. That's what we are hearing. Though it's COVID precautions are on, though all safety measures are also being taken, but what we are being told is that Prime Minister, along with Home Minister and also Party President JP Nadda, will be addressing the gathering once results are clear. So what we are seeing is that at the gallery here, stage is being set up so that the senior leaders can address the gathering in the late evening. Lights are being set up and also stages also being set up in the ground floor also. So what we can see is that the moment results are clear in Bihar, we can expect senior BJP leaders addressing the gathering, coming to the National Party headquarters and addressing the gathering here. With camera person Prem Singh, this is Aravind Gunasekar for NDTV.